In this video, I will show you how to secure Twitter login with two-factor authentication using Authy Authenticator app and a few more extra tips that will raise the level of security and protect your Twitter account. The Authenticator apps works even without the mobile connection or internet connection and generates 6-digit verification codes that changes every 30 seconds. This makes two-factor authentication on Twitter more secure because these verification codes cannot be intercepted in between. Authy Authenticator app has a great sync and backup feature. So when a user upgrades his phone, he can get the Authy account on a new phone very easily. And it is protected by a master password. So the first step is to install the Authy Authenticator app from Play Store. After download gets completed, click on Open button and register the account on the Authy app. When you reach the Authy user interface, then click on three dots located at the top right corner. There are two options here. The first one is Add Account and the second one is Setting. Click on Setting. On the settings page, you can enable the dark mode if you want to by tapping on the toggle button. Now click on the second tab of security page, which is Accounts tab. Here you can see there is an option called as Backup. This backup option will synchronize our social media accounts and make a backup of them in an encrypted format. It will also help us to recover our social media accounts when logging in from a new device. So tap on the toggle button. Now on Secure Backups page, you have to create a master password. This will help the Authy to store the social media accounts in an encrypted format which is secure. So choose the master password, write it down and store it in a safe place. After entering the password, click on Enable Backups. As you can see, we have successfully enabled the backups for the Authy Authenticator app. Now open the Twitter account on the computer, click on More option located at the bottom left of the screen. Now click on Settings and Privacy located just above the Help and Center. On the settings page, tap on Accounts option. This will open the Accounts page. You will see a subheading which says Login and Security. You can see the username, email, etc. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on Security option, which is located above the Data and Permission. There are two options here. The first one is two-factor authentication and the second one is password reset protection. Click on two-factor authentication option. Two-factor authentication page has three options. The first one is text message, the second one is authentication app, and the third one is security key. Click on the second option, which is authentication app. Click on the second option, which is authentication app. This will open the authentication app page. Click on Start button within a blue color box. Twitter will ask you password for verification. Enter the password and click on Verify button located below the password. A new page will open here with a QR code. This QR code will help us to get the 6-digit verification code on the Authy mobile app. Keep this page open for a few minutes. Now open the Authy Authentication app on your mobile device and click on three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the app screen. Tap on the first option, which is Add Account. This will open the Add Account page with a Scan QR code option. Click on it. Now scan the QR code showing on the desktop with this Authy app scanner. Once the scan becomes successful, you will see the Twitter logo and account name on the Authy Authenticator mobile app. Now click on Save button within a blue color box. You might see 6-digit verification codes displaying on the app. Leave the mobile app screen as it is and come to the desktop user interface where the QR code is opened. Click on the next option at the bottom of the screen. Now a new pop-up window will open with a heading which says Try the authentication code now. You will get this 6-digit verification code on the Authy Authenticator mobile app. Enter these codes in the desktop Twitter page and click on Verify button within a blue color box. After that, Twitter will show you confirmation message. You are all set. Twitter will also show you 12-digit single-use backup code write it down, store it in a safe place. This will help us to recover the Twitter account in case of emergency. After that, click on Got It option. Now on the two-factor authentication page of Twitter, you can see a checkmark option at the authentication app. If it is showing on your Twitter account, then it means you have successfully enabled the Authenticator app on Twitter. If no checkmark is showing, then do not worry. Just repeat the process again, then it might show the tick mark. You might want to use a combination of phone verification and authentication app. This will help you to recover your Twitter account through phone verification if you do not have the master password of the Authenticator app. Now let's test this. I'm logging out of my Twitter account and it's done. I'm entering the username and password for the Twitter account. As you can see, a new page is opened here which says login with the authentication app. If the mobile screen does not show this page, then do not worry. Below the login page, there is an option which says choose a different two-factor authentication method. Click on it. Here you will see the different two-step verification methods that have been enabled for the Twitter account. For example, text message, backup code, and authentication app. Click on authentication app. Now in the new page, you can see the option login with the authentication app. Now copy the 6-digit verification code that are displaying on the Authy app and paste it in the Twitter verification page with a box which says enter the authentication code. After that, click on login. As you can see, we are successfully logged in into the Twitter account. In the upcoming videos, we will learn about securing the Twitter account using USB security keys, which is the most secure way of two-factor authentication on Twitter. So do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Here is an extra security tip. Use an encrypted VPN that will protect your private information and sensitive data from snoopers while surfing the web at public Wi-Fi, hotels, airports, and corporate offices, etc. So this was the quick introduction of using two-factor authentication on Twitter using Authy Authenticator app. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.